Hello dear children, welcome back to our maths class. So today we are going to continue with the geometry. So let's start. So children, today in geometry class we are going to study how to measure and draw some of the geometrical shapes. So dear children, our first question is draw a line segment of 7 centimeter. How many centimeter? 7 centimeter, and you have to draw a line segment which has two end points. So we will take the scale and we will start from 0. We will put one point on 0 and the other point on 7. Then we are going to join both the points. So we got a line segment AB. We can write the name AB, and it is of how many centimeter? It is of 7 centimeter. Clear children? Next is draw a square of 10 centimeter. Children, you all must be knowing that square has all four sides equal. So let us draw. We will draw first side. We will mark 0, one point on 0 and the other on 10 centimeter, and we will join the line. The next side we are going to draw, that is also of 10 centimeter. We will put one point on 0 and next on the 10, and we will join the line. Similarly, we are going to draw the third side, that is also equal to 10 centimeter. We will join the line. And the fourth side, that is also equal to the all three sides, that is 10 centimeter. We will put one point on 0 and the other on 10 centimeter. Now we have got a square. We will name it A, B, C and D. And you all know the square, all sides are equal, that is 10 centimeter. Now children, next one is draw a rectangle of length 7 centimeter and breadth 10 centimeter. Children, we all know rectangle has its opposite sides equal. So let's draw. First we are going to draw the breadth, that is of 10 centimeter. Then we are going to draw its length, that is of 7 centimeter. So we will start. We will mark 0 on one point and next point we will mark on 7. It is of 7 centimeter. Now you know opposite sides are equal. So this side is 7. Now the next side I am drawing, that is also of 7 centimeter. Now the fourth side, the remaining one, that will be of 10 centimeter because the opposite sides are equal. So let us draw a line segment of 10 centimeter. So here we got a rectangle of length 7 centimeter and breadth 10 centimeter. Now we can name this rectangle as P, Q, R and S. Now next children, we are going to study about diagonals and corners. Here you can see children, two figures are there. We will see the first figure first. So here in this square children, you can see four corners are there, that is corner A, corner B, corner C and corner D. Now how to form the diagonal? Children, when we will join corner A with corner D, we will get a diagonal. Let's do it children. we will draw a line from A to D. Yes, now you can see we have got the corner A, we have got the diagonal AD. Now similarly we will join B with the C. Again we have got the diagonal, that is BC. So diagonals in the squares are AD and BC. And which are the corners, children? Which are the corners? Yes, corners A, B, C and D. Now we will see the another figure. Again what we are going to do, children, we can see four corners are there, P, Q, R, S. Again we are going to join the corners, that is P with S and corner Q with R. Yes, now again we have got the diagonals, that is PS and QR. And which are the corners, children? Yes, P, Q, R and S. So dear children, I hope you all have understood how to measure and draw these geometrical shapes. So now your homework is to practice to draw all these geometrical shapes. Thank you.